Meaning of goose-step.
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 Goose-step. Goose-step is a marching style commonly associated with military parades, characterized by a stiff-legged, heel-striking gait that emphasizes precision and synchronization among participants. The term is derived from the way geese walk in unison. While originally used primarily by Prussian and German armies in the 19th century, the goose-step has been adopted by militaries worldwide. It has also been criticized for its association with authoritarian regimes and perceived lack of individuality. Despite this, the goose-step remains in use today as a means of displaying discipline and cohesion among military units.